Welcome back for number 6, guys. I went ahead and stopped after 5 because I talked a lot on that one, and like I said, I'm trying to keep them short. For some reason, YouTube is not putting my closed captioning on. So, all right, let's look at this bad boy. 14x, there's nothing to multiply by the 14x. Plus 5, there's nothing to multiply by the plus 5. Minus, this whole thing. When you see minus outside of parentheses, I want you to think about there's a minus 1 there. We are going to distribute a negative 1 to everything in those parentheses. So 14x, we're not going to worry about them right now. We're going to distribute that negative 1. Okay, make it an addition problem. Negative 1 times 9. Negative 1, and that's a positive 3x. Oh, I didn't mean to write that positive, but I wrote it. Plus 3x. Now let's do our math. Let's math it. 14x plus 5, just bring those down. Negative 1 times 9. Negative 9. Negative 1 times positive 3. A negative times a positive is a negative. Okay, we did our distributing. We distributed this negative 1 that was on the outside here. Now we're going to look for like terms. Like terms, same variable, same exponent. I always start with whatever my first term is and then just go through 14x, 5, nope, no x. Negative 9, nope, no x. Negative 3x. Whoop! We can combine those two. 14x plus negative 3x. If you don't want to write that, just math it right now. 14x plus negative 3. 14 plus negative 3. 11x. Okay, I'm done with those. Move on. 5, no variable. Negative 9, no variable. Guess what? These bad boys are like terms. You're going to add those together. So you have 5 plus negative 9. And just for emphasis, I'm going to stick those in parentheses so you see. These are our like terms. Those are our like terms. We're going to combine those. 5 plus negative 9 is negative 4. When you add a positive and a negative, it could be either positive or negative. How do you decide what sign it's going to be? Well, you guys could have stuck it in a calculator, but the old school rule is look at 5, look at 9. When you look at 5 and 9, which number is larger? The 9 is larger. Now go back. What is the sign on your 9? The sign on your 9 is negative. So when you subtract these two, you take the larger number, subtract them, you give it the sign of the larger number, negative 4. And then plus a negative is the same as if you had just subtracted it. That's number 6. Let's see how long number 7 is. Do we have time in this video to do number? Oh, I don't know. I think 7 might require its own video. What do y'all think? We're at 4 minutes. All right, I'm going to end this here and then do a separate video to solve number 7 because there's a lot going on there.